Oh man, I'm so excited for Wubsy and Barney to come over. We could play outside, and we could play inside and stuff. It'll be so much fun. Let me check if they're here yet. No, it doesn't look like it. Wait! Is it raining? Oh, no. It is raining. Oh, no. It's all wet outside, and they have to walk to my house? No! It's not fair. I'm a terrible friend. Oh, no, they're here. Hey, guys. Wow. Hi, Arthur.
Hi, Arthur. Can you let us in? It's raining.
Wait, you guys aren't mad at me for making you walk in the rain?
Nah, I don't really mind. And plus, it's not your fault. You can't control the weather.
Oh, well, I guess you're right. Well, come on inside and we can do something in there. All right, guys, we're up in my room now, so, what do you want to do?
Good question. I really don't know. I don't know of many things we could do inside.
Yeah, I was gonna bring my kickity kickball, but it was raining, so we can't play with that.
Both very fair reasons. Let's look around my room for stuff.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, there's nothing good in my closet. Not my pins. Action figures. Yeah, guys, do you want to play with action figures?
Oh, yeah, that sounds like a great idea.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Okay, I'll grab us some. All right, these are the best ones I could find.
Now, these aren't real, toys, right? Because we're talking stuffed animals.
Oh no, these are our toys, not talking figures.
Wow. Who do I get to play with?
Well, since you guys are my guests, you guys get to choose first. So, Wubsy, you get to choose first. You could either be Michelangelo from Ninja Turtles in the car, Bugs Bunny, or Special Agent Oso.
I'll pick Special Agent Oso.
Great choice. What about you, Barney?
I'll choose Bugs Bunny.
Great pick. I'll be Michelangelo then.
So, what should we do with our action figures?
Good question. Well, we could make them battle.
But aren't they all superheroes?
Yeah.
Well, you know that video game Super Smash Bros? Those people are all superheroes.
Touche. Then we'll do that.
All right, cool. Here we go.
I'm gonna beat you up.
Rawr, I'm an agent.
And I'm a ninja in a car.
Hey! Yeah!
Oh, we're throwing them? Okay.
I don't think this is working out.
Yeah, we just made a mess.
Well, that's fine. We'll find something else to do.
Like what?
Well, downstairs, I have this whole closet full of toys. Mainly like scooters and stuff. We could go see if there's anything fun in there.
Oh, I like that idea.
Yeah!
Then let's do it! Come on, let's go! Yeah! Alright, the closet's just right over here. Here it is. Whoa! Watch out for falling boogie boards.
Sounds fun. Huh? What? It's the coolest.
See? What did I tell ya?
This boogie board's something great to play with in the house. We could use this.
That'd be great if we can ever get out of here. On 3, we push. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Ooh. We're free. Now let's go play with it. Here it is.
Wow. So, what can we do on this?
Yeah. Well, I think I added some sort of motor to it that allows us to push it around. Here it is. So, ready? I gotta sit here, put the rope in between my legs, and hold still because this could get pretty fast.
What do you mean, what?
Oh! Ow! Oh no!
The boogie board. It's flying away.
And it's got Whoopsie attached to it!
Wow, wow.
Whoa! Ah!
Hold on, Wubsy, we'll get you down.
This is actually pretty fun, but I would like to get down. It's taking me upstairs. Ow. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. Wow.
Dude, are you okay?
Can we do it again?
Oh, that did look pretty fun.
Yeah, but this time, let's all do it together.
Okay.
Alrighty, guys, we've all successfully duct taped ourselves to this board so we don't fall off. Is everybody ready?
More than ready.
Oh boy, I'm so excited.
Alrighty then, here we go. Whoa. Ah. Whoa. Ah. That was awesome!
Wow.
Let's do it again.
Alright, guys, well, I'm sorry we couldn't play outside today, and it might have been a bummer just to...
Are you kidding me? Today has been awesome.
Yeah, we played with action figures. That didn't go too well. And we did this. It's just awesome.
Well, let's do this one more time, guys. Are you ready?
Oh boy, yes.
Yep.
Then let's go! Ah!